go!
What's up guys, for you today with another video, and today I'll be unboxing a hard drive enclosure and also a
Get a little something
cable.
over here.
So the other good question, I'm going to put a connection, both of them there. So yeah, so this is the cable extender. How long is this thing? 3 meters, yeah, pretty long. This is for my printer. I have my printer in like a cupboard. I did buy a cable for it, like obviously you need to buy one of those cables that connects to the printer, but that was, I think, 1.8 meters. Wasn't too long, doesn't reach my laptop. I thought it was going to reach where I have all my USB docks and stuff, but unfortunately it didn't, so I had to go buy one of these. So yeah, there we go. So as I said, it's 3 meters. It's super long, so yeah. So let me just bundle this thing nicely again and put it to the side. I said I was going to bundle it nicely, but whatever. But the main thing that I wanted to talk about is this thing, a hard drive enclosure. So here it is. Let me read through it. Cover, LED, USB 3.0. Okay. So there we go. Here it is. It's yellow. They didn't have any other color besides yellow, so I'm just gonna take it out. There we have it. Pretty nice. So we're just gonna put that to the side because there's obviously other stuff in the box. So here's padding for the drive that you're gonna put in. I think you can put it at the bottom or at the top of the drive. Instruction manual. You know, we're gonna read those. Pretty short cable, but this is basically the standard for external hard drives. If you have another external hard drive, you can use the same cable anyway, but you know, include a cable. So now we're just gonna slide it. So this is where you're gonna put in your drive. So it takes in 2.5-inch drives, so SSDs and normal hard drives. And yeah, storage capacity unlimited as long as the drive can fit in here. As you guys saw, my 4 terabyte drive won't fit in here. Well, it will, but not with the cover on. So yeah, that's this entire device. It's yellow. I got no problem with it, but wish they had another color. But yeah, there we go. So what I'm actually going to do is that I'm actually going to open up my old laptop and take the SSD out of it. I'm just going to use it as a portable drive for like files and whatnot. So yeah. Okay, we have the cover off now, so I'm just going to run over this laptop again. There's a fan, heatsink, 2 RAM DIMMs, so 2 8 gigs to make it 16. Here's a slot for an NVMe SSD. Here's the hard drive, and here is the SSD that I had installed. So yeah, let's take off. Mind the tape. I just put it there for no reason. Not because the drive wasn't sturdy. It was. It's just that after I told you guys that my laptop got water damaged or tea damaged, I just put this there just for extra precautions. So yeah, I'm just gonna take off this tape. There we go. You can see I put a lot there. And now we're just gonna. Ooh, that's interesting. So it looks like some of the tea got on the hard drive and it's a bit stuck. So I'm just gonna take out this entire connector and like it's also stuck. Nope, it's just been here for a long time. There we go. Here's an SSD. This is a 2.5-inch SATA SSD. This thing is fast, but not as fast as an NVMe SSD, but it's way faster than a normal hard drive. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wipe it before I put it in here. So yeah, and my fingers are a bit sticky now. So yeah, put that to the side, and now we're just gonna put this thing back together. I'm just gonna leave this here. Actually, if you don't know what this is, I'll probably leave the link to the video that this thing was about in the description down below, because that was a pretty fun video. Actually, okay, just to spoil it for you. So this laptop actually has a slot for a DVD drive, but yeah, it's a dedicated slot for a DVD drive, but this laptop did not come with a DVD drive. So I bought I'm not sure what the connector is called for the DVD drive, but it's a converter from that to a SATA connector to connect hard drives. So yeah, I'll leave the link for that video in the description down below. It was actually quite fun to make. It's actually quite a long video. It's like 15 minutes long, if my memory serves me correctly. But yeah, so this cable I'm just gonna leave dangling around. Probably just gonna slot the thing there. Yeah. So time to close this bad boy up. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a damn cloth and just wipe this hard drive because it's sticky. I'm not all of it is sticky, but it's sticky. So this hard drive I previously used as an editing drive for this one. So I edited my videos over this hard drive because an SSD is much faster, and it actually did help with editing videos and stuff because it would be much faster, videos would load quicker, and Adobe didn't crash as much. So this will probably be used to store videos that are in the process of being made or edited. So yeah, so let's put this thing in, and yeah, now I'm gonna open this thing, and yeah, so we're just gonna take this padding off now. Not the padding, the paper. We're gonna take off the paper covering the sticky part of the padding. I'm just gonna put it here in the middle. This padding is actually more or less for hard drives. Hard drives have spinning disks. SSDs don't have spinning disks, so they don't really need to be protected that much. You could drop an SSD like that and still be fine. So we're just gonna slot this thing in now. And yeah, here we go. This is a 120. Yeah, this is a 120 gig SSD. So to illustrate, any 2.5-inch hard drive can fit in here. It's just that depending on how big it is, like how thick it is, the case would be able to close it on normal sizes like this. If I were to use my 4 TB hard drive, for example. So here it is. Here's my 4 TB hard drive. As you can see, it is much thicker than this SSD. 4 TB hard drives are actually I think after you get past 2 TB, they start becoming this thick. So it can go in here, it's just that this thing won't close. But you can use this as a bay for this small drive. Maybe you could get tape and sort of tape it on and keep it like this. But yeah, so yeah, let's take this and close it up now. And here we go. So if you have an extra hard drive that's 2.5 inches, get an external bay and use it. So yeah, that's today's video. I also got the cable, but this video was not about the cable, it was more about this. So yeah, external hard drive enclosures are very useful. But yeah, that was today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I've got some cleaning up to do. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for sticking till the end. And peace.